a floating island. Hi, Maria here, Rachel's sister, and I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite desserts, a floating island, or île flottante, crème anglaise with a mountain of meringue floating on top of it. It's just so light, so delicious, especially in the summer. It's just wonderful. Okay, first thing you want to do is take a baking sheet, spread your almonds, don't overlap them, spread them out. 7 minutes, 350. They should be like a light brown. When they're done, they're gonna look like this. Hold them aside. You're gonna take a sauce pot, you're gonna take a vanilla bean, you're gonna take the tip of your knife, and you're gonna scrape the seeds. You're gonna put the whole bean and the seeds in the pot with the cream and the milk, and you're gonna put it on the stove. You're gonna stir. Medium heat. You wanna get the milk nice and hot, but slowly. So while that's heating up, I do need to go back to it, you need to take your eggs, add 1 tablespoon of the sugar, whisk it together. You'll have a light lemony color. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Go back to your vanilla bean. Bring it to hot on medium heat. No hotter. Do not rush it. It takes a few minutes. Smells really good. So now you're gonna take it from the heat and you're gonna start whisking your eggs and slowly start to pour this hot mixture into the egg. You gotta keep it going fast so that you do not scramble the eggs. Then pour it back in the pan and get it right back on the stove. You have to stir constantly. This is a sauce, not a pastry cream, not a pudding. You want to cook the egg, you want it to thicken slightly, and you don't want to go any further. Do not get any bubbles. Do not let this boil. If it boils, you're starting over. Okay, I'm gonna pull it because it looks done. You must remove from the heat immediately and strain it. Let it set until room temperature. Then cover it and refrigerate until ready to serve. Okay, that's cooling. We've got the almonds. Take your egg whites and your salt. Beat them on high to meringue. You can add the remaining sugar a tablespoon at a time, slowly. Continue beating, it's gonna take a couple of minutes. So you have nice stiff peaks. So you're gonna scoop out 4 mounds of meringue. Here's your island. Now we're gonna take those toasted almonds and we're gonna cover them in toasted almonds. Gonna save a couple almonds for the top of the anglaise. This is gonna go in the oven at 285 for 25 minutes. And they're gonna come out looking like this. They must cool before you can serve. Best served icy cold. I like to serve it in a glass. And when you go to serve it, you're just gonna pour. It'll last 2 or 3 days. This will serve for 1/4 of your anglaise. Grab a meringue. Oops, I forgot my almonds. I like to put a few toasted almonds right on top of that. And then float your island. Bon appetit.
Maria.
Hey, Ray.
That was gorgeous. You are delightful. I love watching you. Thank you for our floating islands.
Thank you, Ray.
Happy birthday, my darling. We love you so much.
Birthday.
And thank you for being on our show this year, too.